Hey everybody, Mark on the road here. Well, the snow has finally melted here in Virginia and it is a beautiful 80 degrees out. I'm in Mount Jackson, Virginia at the Route 11 potato chip factory, and they make 11 types of potato chips, and this place was established back in 1992 and they do kettle fried chips. So let's go take a look. Let's get a little information here. Welcome to Route 11 Chips. We are not cooking today, but we have free samples and chips to sell. Please come in. There's the cooking schedule. Please do not take photos of the production area, thank you. So we can't take video of them cooking chips, but even if they were, it wouldn't matter because they're not cooking today anyway. Remember, no running, jumping, or screaming. Always good to have restrooms here. All the different varieties of chips. They're on the wall. Looks like I'm the only one in here for now. But you can buy bags of chips. There's even soda, t-shirts, all kinds of stuff. You want to buy yourself a regular shirt, there are the prices. So there's all your varieties. You can get bags, 12-ounce bag for $7.50, 24-ounce bag for $12.50. Lightly salted, barbecue, dill pickle, salt and vinegar, sour cream and chive. Chesapeake crab, that sounds a little interesting. And then Mama Zuma, that looks like really hot. Might try that, salt and pepper. And then try our no salt chips. So there's all their free samples, so you just ask who's ever behind the counter for a sample. So we just tried the crab, which isn't bad, and now we're gonna try the barbecue. All right, we're gonna try the hot Mama Zuma. I hope these things aren't too hot, but it might be, that's not a big deal. It's got habanero in it. Okay, we bought some chips, but I'm gonna take samples for the road that she gave me, which was very nice. And then I bought barbecue and salt and vinegar. All right, that was pretty cool. Got my chips, and unfortunately on Mondays they don't cook, but on Thursdays and Fridays in the morning, they cook the chips. So you step out into the bright sun, and I think that's gonna do it here from Mount Jackson, Virginia at the Route 11 potato chip factory. And after that, Buc-ee's is just down the street, and also Shenandoah Cavern. So if you're ever out this way, come take a look. And on that note, Mark saying, see you on the road.